The amazing power of toothpaste that will repel mice from your house. Dealing with mice in your home can be a frustrating and unsanitary experience. While there are various methods and products marketed for mouse control, from traps to ultrasonic devices, there's a surprisingly simple and effective solution right in your bathroom cabinet. Toothpaste. Yes, you read that correctly. Toothpaste isn't just for keeping your teeth clean and breath fresh. It can also serve as a natural deterrent to keep mice at bay. Let's delve into this unconventional yet practical approach to mouse repellent. The science behind toothpaste as a mouse repellent. To understand why toothpaste can repel mice, it's essential to examine its composition. Toothpaste typically contains ingredients like mint, menthol, and other strong-smelling compounds that are pleasant to humans but repulsive to rodents like mice. These ingredients create an odor barrier that mice find unpleasant and seek to avoid, making toothpaste an effective natural repellent. How to use toothpaste to keep mice away. Using toothpaste as a mouse repellent is simple and straightforward. Here's how you can incorporate it into your mouse control strategy. Identify entry points. Inspect your home for any gaps, cracks, or openings that mice could use to enter. Common entry points include gaps around doors and windows, holes in walls or floors, and utility penetrations. Seal entry points. Once you've identified potential entry points, use toothpaste to seal them shut. Apply a generous amount of toothpaste to the openings, filling them completely. The strong odor of the toothpaste will deter mice from attempting to enter through these spaces. Reapply as needed. Monitor the sealed areas regularly and reapply toothpaste as needed. Over time, the toothpaste may dry out or wear off, especially in high-traffic areas. By reapplying toothpaste when necessary, you can maintain an effective barrier against mice. Additional tips for mouse control. While toothpaste can be a useful tool in your mouse control arsenal, it's essential to complement this method with other preventive measures to ensure comprehensive mouse-proofing. Keep your home clean and clutter-free to eliminate potential hiding spots and food sources for mice. Store food in airtight containers to prevent mice from accessing and contaminating it. Use traps or ultrasonic devices in conjunction with toothpaste to capture or deter mice already present in your home. Regularly inspect your home for signs of mouse activity, such as droppings, gnaw marks, or shredded materials. In the battle against mice invading your home, toothpaste emerges as an unexpected yet effective ally. With its potent odor and repulsive properties, toothpaste can help deter mice from entering your living spaces through gaps and openings. By sealing entry points with toothpaste and implementing additional preventive measures, you can keep mice at bay and maintain a mouse-free environment in your home. So the next time you reach for your toothpaste, remember that it's not just for oral hygiene, it's also a powerful tool for keeping unwanted critters away.